Hi everyone, and welcome back to Health Here. Today, we're diving into the world of mental health. Let's kick things off with the mighty muscle exercise. Physical activity is a fantastic mood booster. It releases endorphins, our body's natural feel-good chemicals that combat stress and anxiety. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Brisk walking, dancing, swimming, anything you enjoy works wonders. Next up, prioritize sleep. When we're sleep deprived, our brains get foggy and stress levels rise. Most adults need around 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine when down with calming activities, like reading or taking a warm bath, and avoid screens for at least an hour before bed. Healthy food choices are crucial for mental well-being too. Think colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. These foods nourish your brain and body, providing the building blocks for a strong and balanced mood. Now, let's talk about the power of social connection. Humans are social creatures, and strong relationships are vital for mental health. Spend quality time with loved ones, nurture your friendships, and don't be afraid to reach out for support when needed. Social connection provides a sense of belonging and reduces feelings of isolation. Mindfulness practices are fantastic tools to manage stress and cultivate inner peace. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply focusing on the present moment can all be incredibly beneficial. There are many mindfulness apps and resources available to help you get started. Remember, it's okay to unplug and disconnect from the constant buzz of technology. Limit screen time, especially social media. Social comparison can be a major drain on your mood. Instead, use that time for activities you enjoy, whether it's reading a book, spending time in nature, or pursuing a hobby. Speaking of nature, spending time outdoors has a powerful positive impact on mental health. Take a walk in the park, go for a hike, or simply sit outside and soak up the sunshine. Nature has a calming effect and can significantly reduce stress levels. Finally, don't be afraid to express gratitude. Taking time each day to appreciate the good things in your life, big or small, can significantly boost your mood and overall well-being. Keep a gratitude journal, write down a few things you're thankful for each day, or simply take a moment to reflect on the positive aspects of your life. These are just a few simple habits that can make a world of difference in your mental health. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you'll be well on your way to a happier, healthier you. Thanks for joining us on Health Here today. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, consider subscribing for more content on healthy living and mental well-being.